Hello everyone, this is Rajiv Sanaki, Department of Civil Engineering, Jain Polytechnic, Belgavi. So in today's lecture, we will be covering one portion in Unit 6, that is miscellaneous. So in miscellaneous, we will be covering lecture number 51. So content in this lecture is waterproofing, structural glazing, bamboo as a construction material. So waterproofing. What is waterproofing? Waterproofing is a method of applying a waterproofing paint or a membrane to the structure, for example on the slab or in the foundation, so that the structure is free from dampness and other ill effects on the building. So here you can see one type of waterproofing which is done on the slab. So there are different types. So in this image you can see the waterproofing, it is in black. Here you can see it is in white. So the different types of waterproofing, you will be understanding it in the next slides. So why are we doing waterproofing for structures? So first one, for a safer foundation, for a healthier environment, to eliminate insect growth. So in this image you can see, due to ill construction, the water has penetrated into the walls, and since there is no waterproofing, it has led to dampness, and so much of dampness leads to unhealthy environment and increase in insect growth. Here you can see there are formation of cracks, water seeping out of the wall, and finally it ends up leading to a unsafer foundation. Now coming to waterproofing methods. So there are some methods, different methods for waterproofing. First one is cementitious waterproofing, where waterproofing is done with cement, water and any type of waterproofing solution. Liquid waterproofing membrane, where a different type of liquid membrane is applied on the slabs of the structure to prevent it from water penetrating into the structure. Next is bituminous membrane. Bituminous membrane is nothing but bitumen which is heated and applied on the slab or the structure, or else a bitumen mat which is rolled over by heating, which melts and forms a layer or a membrane. Now coming to next part, that is structural glazing. So structural glazing systems are types of curtain wall systems consisting of glass that is bonded to a structure without the use of continuously gassed aluminum pressure plates. So here you can see structural glazing. It is done for appearance purpose and many other advantages. So where the structure looks almost transparent. Advantages of structural glazing. So main advantages, it has a good level of waterproofing, excellent sound insulation, the surface is very easy to clean up, so protection for a load bearing structure. Now coming to bamboo as a construction material. So bamboo, it can be utilized as a building material for scaffolding, bridges, etc. Bamboo, like wood, is a natural composite material with high strength to weight ratio, which is useful in structures. Bamboos are some of the fastest growing plants in the world, which is available almost everywhere. Advantages of bamboo: it can be cut easily, repair, reposition and maintain without need of sophisticated tools or equipment. Bamboo can be utilized for permanent and for temporary constructions. It can be used in combination with other types of construction material like reinforcing materials for foundations. The natural surface of bamboo is smooth, clean, with an attractive color which does not require painting, scraping, and polishing. Thank you.